Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer money using Profee platform. How many countries are available to send the money when you receive same day, second day, and how much they charge. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply open here new tab in Google and just put it here Profee. Enter. Look at this here. First link is display here. Profee instant online card transfer from Europe. You can send those money from Europe because of this Profee is belongs in European company. We can click here and look at this. This is an application on Android and iOS also, so you can download and do same process what I am doing here. This is a Profee platform, and if I send here today 1000 euro in Indian currency, I am receiving 88.800 INR. Is a huge number. The application is available Android and iOS also. Before start anything, we just simply first of all sign up here. As a sign up point of view, you need to add here your mobile number, continue, nationality, which country your residence, nationality is India, your email address, confirm, verify as a human. You receive one OTP on your mobile number, and well done, you have successfully created your profile. Then before your first transaction, we need to know more about you. What is your name, nationality, your date of birth, confirm, country your residence, Copenhagen, Denmark, street name, apartment 1, street name, confirm. Great, time to move on. Profee transfer from Luxembourg to India and bank transfer, yes. So here you need to add Indian bank account. I'm sending here in Luxembourg to Indian bank account. So bank name ICICI, bank IFSC code, bank account number, and here recipient first name. So this account number comes in my name, so I just simply add here my name, continue. So send money from Google Pay or bank card, so I just simply select here as a euro bank card. You need to add here your debit card, like 16-digit debit card, expiry date, CVV code, and here card holder name, and the send the money. After you add here all detail and then send, so company are providing here arriving within a few days. So few days means you are sending the like a Monday, so Tuesday and Wednesday definitely you are receiving this amount of money in Indian bank account end of Wednesday. So this is a simple process to make account and send money via Profee platform. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.